Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to assemble your new DURAWOOD Porch Rocker. Step 1. Use two 3-inch screws to attach the right chair arm to the chair seat. Step 2. Use two 3-inch screws to attach the front and rear spreader bars to the right chair arm. Note, the shorter spreader bar is used on the back of the chair. Step 3. Use two 3-inch screws to attach the chair back to the right arm and install the headrest. Note, the headrest will be held in place once the left side of the chair is installed. Step 4. Use 6 3-inch screws to secure the left chair arm to the seat, back, and spreader bars. Step 5. Use 4 3-inch screws to attach the curved runners to the underside of the chair. Step 6. Relax.